Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the important legal developments across the nation. Here are the headlines. Collegium system is the best one available, says former Chief Justice of India UU Lalit. Justice Indira Banerjee suggests reforms. Uddhav Thackeray moves Supreme Court against the ECI decision to grant party name and symbol to Eknath Shinde faction. Parties in arbitration must learn to accept awards and not engage in further litigation, Justice S.K. Kaul said. Supreme Court refused to take on record Forbes' report in the Adani Hindenburg case. State Human Rights Commission has jurisdiction to direct payment of compensation for human rights violation, Kerala High Court holds. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. Former Chief Justice of India UU Lalit said that the collegium system is the best one available and we must ensure that this system survives, thrives and gives us the best possible result. He also said that the appointment process by collegium is not a whimsical exercise to ensure a nepotistic cycle continues in judicial selections as alleged by critics. However, Justice Indira Banerjee, speaking at an event recently, suggested reforms like permanent secretariat and bank of names of candidates, selection of judges in advance and uniformity and consistency in selection. The Uddhav Thackeray faction approached the Supreme Court against the Election Commission of India's order, which recognized the Eknath Shinde's faction as the real Shiv Sena and granted party name and symbol to the said faction. On February 17th, the ECI allowed Eknath Shinde's application, seeking the allotment of the official Shiv Sena name and its symbol, bow and arrow. Parties involved in arbitration proceedings must learn to accept the arbitral award, instead of carrying on a battle through multi-tiered scrutiny. Courts are strictly following principles of non-interference to arbitral awards, Supreme Court Judge Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul said. He also hailed the fact that virtual court hearings have raised the level of efficiency. The Supreme Court refused to take on record a report published by Forbes magazine about the share dealings of the Adani Group. Earlier on Friday, a bench led by CJI Chandrachud had reserved orders on constituting a committee to review the regulatory measures for prevention of interests of the investors. The top court, however, declined the taking of Forbes' report on record. A division bench of the Kerala High Court, comprising Chief Justice S. Manikumar and Justice Murali Purushottam, held that the State Human Rights Commission is vested with the power to order compensation in case of violation of human rights. The order came in a case where a street vendor had been evicted without notice and in an arbitrary manner by the municipal authorities in Kottayam. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.